Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the KPMG IFRS conference. In fact, this is in India. This is the first time anybody is organizing a conference along with the IFRS Foundation. So it's a first in many ways, and there cannot be a more appropriate time to have done it, in the sense that we have the Companies Act, which is saying that IFRS is going to come in. So I think the timing is most appropriate, and we debated on it for a long time as to when to do it and not do it. And I think over the next 2 days, what you'll be hearing is that this is just not a change in law. I mean, it is a change in the way accounting standard, with the way people are going to look at accounting. Just imagine the one simple thing that is happening out here. All the people, the army of accountants that we have learned on the old accounting system. Training them and updating them is going to be a humongous task for various companies, for the country, for the institute, and it's going to be a big mindset change, because all that one has learned till now, and this compounded with the change in the Companies Act, with the internal control on financial reporting coming in, with accounting standards for tax accounting standards coming in. I think it's a sea change which has come in there. And if then direct tax code comes in, I think that's another, I mean, it is going to change the way accounts are written up, and I think one would need to be relevant to be able to deal with this. So I think it is very important, and we will be discussing a lot of this over the next 2 days. What we have put together is a good set of speakers who have been responsible for writing the standards and people who have actually practiced it. So you will get the view of the authors, and you'll get a good opportunity to ask all the questions that you have now, any kind of clarification that you need, and it will be a good kind of forum for you to actually interactively engage with the speakers who are come there and take advantage of it. Actually, this will also, in a way, where India is positioned, we are going to be early adopters also. If you look at one of the IFRS standards, which is on revenue recognition, I think India is going to be an early adopter on that. So, and as everybody knows, it is the major item on any balance sheet, the way revenue is recognized. And yes, there is a lot to be done. I was just talking to Jamil before this. There's a lot to be done in terms of other regulatory changes that need to come in before these standards come in. You know how in India it operates. Once something gets notified, then people start making their comments or coming on. So I think that hurdle has yet to be crossed. But as of now, we have IFRS Ind AS, which is going to be out there in 17, and people would need to get trained and look at it. The other big change that is happening is GST. I mean, if GST gets rolled out, and that also, the expectation is that it's going to come, and GST is this goods and service tax for my foreign, in case you all don't know. It is goods and service tax, and it is like your VAT equivalent in Western countries. If that also a roadmap comes out of 2016, what is expected, I think that also is going to change the entire way the supply chain. So you have accounting standards change, you have GST coming in, direct tax code if it gets announced, and of course all the changes that are coming in the Companies Act. So what people need to do is to plan this transition. And it's good to start early, because if you start early, then you're not pressurized. You can do it in a proper way. You can train your people. A lot of things may need to get changed. Your IT systems will have to get changed to meet these new standards. And also, it also would mean a lot of money getting spent on training. And if one can do it in a phased manner, you don't have your whole accounts department disappeared some days and not available. I think I just want to put one more point out here, just to put a point that KPMG is committed in many ways to working with corporates, working with from a knowledge management perspective. The fact that we have taken this initiative, being the first initiative itself, it shows our commitment to taking this forward, and we will continue to work on the new governance, on the new Companies Act, all the changes that are coming there and all the challenges that one is doing, and take it. And I wish you all 2 good days of active deliberation, good 2 interactive sessions. My only suggestion to you all would be take advantage of the speakers who are going to come and speak. Get as much from them, from their insights as to why something, we can all read what it is, understand why certain things were put in, and get views of how practically some of these actually have got implemented. Yes, we have our carve-outs. We are not fully IFRS. So those carve-outs will be explained by the India team, by the Indian speakers who will be here. And would like to thank Hans for coming from Global and Mark from KPMG, who heads IFRS, for taking the time out and coming and being with us on this very important initiative which we are launching. And I'm sure this is the first amongst the first that we will do. We will do other conferences going forward. It's important because this is going to the knowledge building. And wish you all 2 successful days. Thank you very much.